With the recent AI developments, as of 21st of April 2022, there are hundreds and thousands of AI tools all around you that you can use today. In the past couple of months, I got my hand on all of these tools, as many of them as I could, and I distilled down the 10 most important, most valuable tools that you can start using today for free and use the power of AI to help you learn faster, be more productive, save more time, get things done like you've never done before. And that is what I'll be talking about in this video. If you watch till the end, you'll be getting a free ebook from HubSpot on generative AI. There is a lot of fear mongering about how AI can replace people, while the right lens to look at this is how can you use the power of AI to become an ultimate version of yourself. I think of myself as an alien in Ben 10 movie, right? So it was like a normal Ben 10 alien, and then you become an ultimate alien, right? So that is literally what you can do if you use these AI tools in your workflow, in your day-to-day life.